Jigarthanda is a popular South Indian beverage, particularly famous in the region of Madurai. It is a refreshing and rich drink made with a combination of milk, ice cream, and faluda, sweetened vermicelli. Here's a basic recipe to make Jigarthanda. Ingredients: 2 cups full fat milk, 1/4 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup almond/pistachio/badam milk or syrup, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, 2 tablespoons of sabi seeds, basil seeds, 2 tablespoons of faluda sev, sweetened vermicelli, 1 tablespoon of rose syrup, a handful of chopped nuts, almonds, pistachios, a pinch of saffron strands. Optional instructions: soak the sabi seeds in water for about 10-15 minutes until they swell up, then drain the water and set them aside. Boil the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. Stir occasionally to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom. Add the sweetened condensed milk to the simmering milk and stir well. Let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. Remove the milk from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. You can also refrigerate it for a while if you prefer a chilled Jigarthanda. In a serving glass, add a tablespoon of sabi seeds, soaked basil seeds. At the bottom, layer the glass with a tablespoon of faluda sev, sweetened vermicelli. Pour 2-3 tablespoons of the cooled milk mixture into the glass. Drizzle a teaspoon of rose syrup over the milk. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Garnish with chopped nuts, almonds, pistachios, and a few strands of saffron. Your Jigarthanda is ready to be enjoyed. Stir it well before sipping to combine all the flavors. Remember, the recipe can be adjusted according to your taste preferences. Some people like it sweeter or with more faluda sev, so feel free to customize the ingredients as desired. Enjoy your homemade Jigarthanda.